Welcome to Greek Philosophy, a hypothetical course by John Ott Jr. The course begins with the purpose. The purpose of this course is to teach students about several texts related to Greek philosophy in the context of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. A student can click here to access the syllabus. This is the beginning of the Socrates module. Here is a modern portrayal of Socrates in an animated cartoon. Compare the portrayal of Socrates in this animation versus the works of Plato and discuss it the next time our class meets in virtual reality. That link is provided there. Students click Next to go to the next mission. Do you believe that the midwifery of the mind that Socrates practices can help you as you seek truth in your own life? Respond using Flipgrid. Should you wish to review passages from Theaetetus, you can do so at this link. Here is the link to the text by Plato. Here is the link to the website where students can record and post their video. Flipgrid. Mission number 3, discussion time. In this mission, students examine this painting, The Death of Socrates. If you look at this painting, you'll see Socrates right here, about to take the hemlock. And students are to complete a discussion post comparing this work with the portrayal of Socrates by Plato. Students go to discussions. Students can access this discussion board. They can reply right here. So students can go back to assignments. Students could also go back to home. Either way, they can get to their next mission. In the next mission, students use a Discord server, and a link to Discord is right there. And they are to chat with a partner about the defense of Socrates before Athens, as portrayed by Plato in Apology. And here's the link to access Apology. So, students create a comic illustrating a moment from another dialogue by Plato. Students then share the comic on the appropriate discussion post. There's a link to an art website students can create art on. Here is the rubric for the Socrates module learning activities, all 5 of them. Students have a project to do where they examine passages from a play called The Clouds by Aristophanes. The text is included. And Socrates is one of the characters in this play. So students write their own play, which includes both the life and teachings of Socrates within it. And so this is how students are graded. Students can also achieve bonus points. So that would be their project. Students also conduct an argument where they use Google Scholar, the academic search engine, and they can find evidence to support an argument about Socrates. And students can submit their assignment on Canvas. Oh, leave, yes. And students can also take a quiz on Socrates in this module. And the quiz asks the students questions Each module has a quiz. Okay, and they submit right there. And so, as you can see, students have a variety of different activities in their first module. Students also have a module on Plato. It also ends with a quiz. And students have a module on Aristotle that also has a quiz as well. So, students can have the opportunity to learn about Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle through this online course on Greek philosophy. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.